elections now are concerned in Jharkhand, because it seems that the Batenge battle is escalating right from battleground Jharkhand, with Congress party president Mallikarjun Kharge upping the ante against the BJP and now hurling the "Daroge to maroge" bhav. If you're scared, you are dead. He is fired that they will not back down from this counter.
कि चीफ मिनिस्टर आसाम के आए थे, उन्होंने यहाँ के लोगों को भी थोड़ा धमकाया। जो लोग कांग्रेस के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, गठबंधन के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, उनको डराने की कोशिश की। भाई यहाँ कोई डरता नहीं, डराने ऐसा कोई मतलब नहीं है। हमारा स्लोगन एक ही है, हम डरेंगे तो मरेंगे, इसीलिए हम डरने वाले नहीं हैं।
Well, Isha is joining us live right now. Isha, good morning. As the poll campaign now comes to an end, battleground Jharkhand has now seen it all. Right from "ek rahenge to safe rahenge to batenge to katenge," and Mallikarjun Kharge coming with a counter to that, saying कि अगर डरोगे तो मरोगे.
Right, Amita. As the polling ends in, as the campaigning ends in Jharkhand, we have seen a lot transpire there, with Yogi Adityanath stating "batenge to katenge," the Prime Minister saying "ek hai to safe hai," and now Mallikarjun Kharge saying "darenge to katenge." That is what Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress chief, has said. In fact, he also did vehemently call Yogi Adityanath out yesterday for his "batenge to katenge" remark. He also stated that he's trying to divide the Hindu population. In fact, that is what the Congress and the man Mallikarjun Kharge have been stating for a very long time. They have been stating that the BJP is indulging in divisive politics and they are only trying to fearmonger for vote collection. However, the BJP has been stating that the Congress just wants to appease the minorities for votes, and that is precisely why they are dealing in appeasement politics. So the back and forth continues, but the question that comes to the fore is that there are elections taking place in Maharashtra, Jharkhand, by-polls in Uttar Pradesh, and the politics is speaking, and there is a lot of politics that is taking place. The war of words between the BJP and the Congress only exacerbates as every day passes. Now Mallikarjun Kharge has come up with a new barb at the BJP government. In fact, he has been attacking them vehemently since the last few days, and now this is a fresh set of attacks that have now taken place. So the back and forth continues, and it will be interesting to see what actually pans out in the
This is coming from the Congress party president Mallikarjun Kharge. As poll campaigning ends in Jharkhand, he has now come out with the phrase saying कि डरोगे तो मरोगे.
चीफ मिनिस्टर आसाम के आए थे, उन्होंने यहाँ के लोगों को भी थोड़ा धमकाया। जो लोग कांग्रेस के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, गठबंधन के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, उनको डराने की कोशिश की। भाई यहाँ कोई डरता नहीं, डराने ऐसा कोई मतलब नहीं है। हमारा स्लोगन एक ही है, हम डरेंगे तो मरेंगे, इसीलिए हम डरने वाले नहीं हैं।
Seems to be another question as far as, because when it comes to the political discourse and the political blame game that has now been witnessed in the run-up to the elections, we are looking at this latest statement that has now come in from Mallikarjun Kharge. We'll talk about more on that, Isha. Thank you very much for joining in the moment. Let's